Yes, Naga.
Now, as we speak, DK Shivakumar is speaking right now. It's literally like India Today is inside the CLP meet that we are getting minute to minute, second by second, not even minute to minute. We are much ahead of others right now. DK Shivakumar is speaking and addressing, thanking everyone and thanking Siddaramaiah for the support. He's seeking the support of all 140 MLAs, saying that what you extended to Siddaramaiah, I hope that you will also extend the same support to me. And when Siddaramaiah said that DK Shivakumar, or proposed the name of DK Shivakumar, Parmeshwar seconded it, and all 140 MLAs raised their hands in approval of this resolution that was passed. And now Shivakumar is speaking and thanking the party leadership for choosing him as a leader, and also telling the MLAs that he needs their support as well as Siddaramaiah's guidance for the next 2 years.
Okay, as we get to all of the details that's coming in right now, I think this is the resolution that we have.
Resolution also. It says that Karnataka Janatayagu Congress ನೀಡುವ ನಿಷ್ಠೆಯಂತೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯರು ಹಾಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈ ಎರಡು it says that as per the people and Congress Paksha, I've served this party for a long time, and
the resolution passed by Siddaramaiah.
This is the resolution 13 to 18. He's saying that two times I've been chief minister, 2 times I've been a leader of opposition, and I've been with the workers always, and I've got their love and respect for them. And now he said that just a second. This is just a note of Siddaramaiah saying that thank you for all the support that party has provided, and it's been for 2 days. 2 times that he's been chief minister, 2 times he's been leader of opposition, is what Siddaramaiah is
So essentially talking about all that he's done for the state of Karnataka. We're just going to confirm the last few lines of whether this is the resolution that was read out by Siddaramaiah, but proposed by Siddaramaiah, seconded by G. Parameshwara, is what we know as far as DK Shivakumar being named as the CLP leader is concerned. And as we get you those details right now, we're going to continue highlighting for you what's happening in the meeting, which is still underway. Right after this, there is going to be a press conference in which Surjewala, KC Venugopal, DK Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah will speak together in one voice. The resolution has been moved. Okay, so the resolution has been moved as expected. All the MLAs have 100% backed this resolution. It is a done deal, ladies and gentlemen. Karnataka's new king is DK Shivakumar. Karnataka's new chief minister is DK Shivakumar. And that is a result of, in fact, the Congress High Command picking him now, making Siddaramaiah step down. All of it is a done deal. There's a smooth transition of power. It's confirmed now that DK Shivakumar is the next chief minister. He's going to be staking claim next amid this pouring rain in Bengaluru.
No matter what, I think DK Shivakumar will walk through the rain, walk through thunderstorms, walk through floods to ensure that crucial letter reaches the Lok Bhavan, because the Raj Bhavan, the governor had to leave Bengaluru, and now he's taking a private plane to Dharmasthala. DK Shivakumar any moment from now will be going to Lok Bhavan, but before that, Randeep Surjewala will come down to the press briefing area of Vidhan Sabha. He would be addressing the press and then making an official announcement that DK Shivakumar has been chosen. Siddaramaiah has proposed this name, and he will shake hand, that crucial shake hand in between Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar and Surjewala, and then 10 people have been allowed into Raj Bhavan is what I'm told. So Siddaramaiah is one among them, Surjewala will be one among them, who will make their way to Lok Bhavan to meet Thawarchand Gehlot and hand over the letter of confirmation that CLP has chosen DK Shivakumar as the chief minister designate or the party floor leader right now.
Okay. So that resolution, now we've got, of course, in Kannada that we had read out, it's a Congress legislature party resolution thanking Siddaramaiah for his service. Naga, that's what we were reading out earlier, where it says we always look forward to his continued participation and guidance. But let's now focus on the man himself. This is DK Shivakumar's crowning moment. What he's been waiting for, what he's been working towards for the next 2.5 years. He's going to be hoping that he remains the chief minister of Karnataka. And this is a historic moment, a new chapter in Karnataka politics, as DK Shivakumar will now be headed to the Lok Bhavan to stake claim to form the government on Wednesday, is when in all likelihood the swearing in will be taking place.